Today we have the 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This is a diesel plug-in hybrid vehicle. It has done just under 58,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, and on the right we have cruise control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, radio, media, smartphone integration, and our vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.